Hi! In front of me is Honor 10X Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on security over here and tap on app lock. Then click enable, and over here you have to pick one of the login methods for your apps. You can select your current lock screen password or create custom PIN. I will go with custom PINs. I have to click on this option, enter my PIN and confirm it. Over here, answer this security question or click on it, pick one of those, or tap on custom question and create your own. When you're done, click OK and remember to answer it. When you're done, tap finish. If you want to use Face Unlock to unlock your apps, you can click OK and follow the instructions. But I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, and now all I need to do is tap on the switchers next to apps that I want to lock. So I will go with browser, calendar and Call of Duty. Now when I go back and try to access one of those apps, like for example, I can't find even one. Okay, Call of Duty, sorry. I can see that PIN is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!